It's very important for VJs to understand, learn, and respect lighting design and lighting condition of a performance, because both lighting and visuals work together to create an impactful experience for the audiences in co-op mode. A well-executed lighting design can enhance the visuals, create the more immersive and engaging experience for the audiences. On the other hand, poor coordinated lighting and visual design can create a disjointed and pointless movement instead of a proper performance. Here are 10 light designing items that every VJ should know. Lighting fixtures. As a VJ, you need to be aware of type of lighting fixtures and their capabilities so you can plan your visuals accordingly in a performance or in a planned production. Intensity. VJs must be aware of the intensity of the lights so you can adjust your visuals accordingly with them. Color temperature. Try to understand the color temperature of the lighting and try to adjust your visuals accordingly. Movements. You should be aware of how the lighting fixtures move, the speed and the direction, and plan your visuals that is gonna complement them. Shapes. Check out the shapes created by the lighting designer and adjust your visuals to that, or vice versa. Gobo. Try to understand the type and the design of the gobos being used and plan your visuals accordingly. Patterns. Feel the patterns and textures used in the lighting and adjust your visuals with that. Note that as a VJ, you have more flexibility creating patterns, whereas the light guy is very much limited. So let him do his thing and you follow. Color changes. Try to stay in sync with the color changes and the lighting changes and play your visuals playing with it. Strobes. Collaborate and coordinate. VJs and LDs must not strobe together unless the judgment day is here or you wanna scare off an alien invasion. Jokes apart, share the strobing moment between VJ and LD. Plan out your strobes. Again, it's a co-op mode, not a versus battle. Blackouts. Plan the blackout together, not a hazard, rather a controlled reset function between your sets. Understanding the lighting condition of the performance space, a VJ can create or prepare their content accordingly to ensure their visuals clearly visible and impactful. Additionally, working collaboratively with light designer and VJ can create a more polished performance. That's what we want. That's what everybody wants.